Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete a photo or file permanently from your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, open gallery here and I would like to delete this photo. Okay, and I am deleting it. And while deleting, it will move to the recycle bin. Okay, so here this photo is removed from gallery only, but in my phone it is available still. Okay, if you would like to remove it permanently, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the home screen of your phone and go to Samsung folder and go to my files, and here you will find one folder called recycle bin. Just click it, and here you will see the latest deleted photo or deleted file. Here this is the deleted photo that I did now, and I click on it, and to permanently delete you go to select that image or photo or file and then click on delete button again, and now it will ask you to permanently delete one file. Then yes, if you are sure, click on delete, and yes, that is removed from my phone. So in this way you can easily do permanently deleting a photo or file in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.